In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hyperlink in Google Slides, transforming your presentation into an interactive experience. Perfectly useful for directing your audience to additional resources, references, or simply to navigate through different parts of your slide deck seamlessly. Even if you're a beginner, by following these simple steps, you'll be able to create hyperlinks with ease. To start, you'll need to select the object that you want to turn into a hyperlink. This could be text, a shape, or even an image within your slide. Just click on the desired item to highlight it. This selection will be the foundation of your link and serves as the trigger point for your viewers to interact with. Choosing the right element to hyperlink is crucial, as it needs to be relevant and obvious for your audience to follow. Next, you'll want to open the link dialog. To do this, navigate to the top menu of your Google Slides interface and click on Insert. You'll see a drop-down menu where you should choose Link. Alternatively, for a quicker route, you can also use the handy shortcut Ctrl+K on a Windows PC or CMD+K if you're using a Mac. This will open up the link dialog where you can specify the details of your hyperlink. Now, it's time to choose the type of link you want to create. If you're linking to an external website, you'll need to paste the desired URL directly into the link field. This is excellent for directing your audience to a web page that provides more in-depth information or supporting evidence for your presentation. However, if your goal is to direct your audience to another slide within the same presentation, you'll want to select Slides in this presentation from the link dialog. From there, you'll be able to choose the specific slide you want to link to, ensuring a smooth and professional flow for your presentation. Once you've inputted your desired link, it's important to finalize it. To do this, simply click Apply. Your link is now active, turning the selected text, shape, or image into an interactive element that your audience can click on during your presentation. This step solidifies your hyperlink and embeds it within your slide, ready for use. If you ever need to edit or remove a hyperlink, Google Slides makes this easy as well. Simply select the linked object, and you'll notice a link icon represented as two overlapping rectangles. Click on this icon, and you'll have the option to either edit or remove the link, giving you total control and flexibility over your presentation content. And there you have it. By following these steps, you now know how to efficiently add hyperlinks to your Google Slides. This not only enhances the functionality of your presentation, but also improves engagement and navigability. Thanks for tuning in, and happy hyperlinking!